Hi everybody, we are going to make either a penguin or a polar bear out of some more paper tubes. It's helpful if you have a white tube for the polar bear, but if you don't, that's okay. How you can cover it in paper is measure from the end to here and then fold the paper to be the right length, and then cut that line and just roll it up with some glue using a glue stick, or you can use tape if you have some clear tape. For the penguin, you're going to need your tube to be black. So if you have a darker tube, I don't know if that helps or not, but use a black marker, black crayon, black pencil crayon. If you're lucky enough to have black construction paper at home, that's even better, because you can do the same thing as the white and wrap it in black paper. It'll take a lot less time, because when you're coloring it, it's just going to take a little while to cover the whole thing so that it's nice and black for a penguin. So once you have your tube all white for a polar bear, the polar bear is easier, by the way, if you are deciding that way. You are going to make some little bear ears. So if you know how to draw a rainbow, then you can draw bear ears. Just like that. So if you cut out each of those spots and then color the inside part black, which is just making another little rainbow shape. It almost looks like eyes. So you cut those out and you glue them on the top of your tube. And you're going to draw your face on your tube with black again. Big polar bear nose like that. And color it in. If you have googly eyes, that's cool. If you don't, like me, then you can draw two circles above the nose, like that, with some black dots on the inside. And then you're going to make a happy little bear mouth. Okay, so ears on the top, face, and then if with your glue stick and a cotton ball, you're going to use that to pull it apart so you can make your polar bear very fuzzy, because polar bears are covered in hair. Okay, so you spread that all out and glue it all over the white parts here. And you will end up with a fuzzy polar bear. There's mine. Mine has little tiny ears, but you can make ears whatever size you want. So there's the polar bear. The penguin is a little bit harder. So once you have your tube colored all black, there's a few parts you're going to need to cut out. And if you have construction paper, that is going to be easier. If you'll need orange and black, and then you can use regular white paper for the belly. Okay, so these are the shapes that you need to draw. An oval is like a stretched out circle. Okay, so that would be the belly part. And then you need two more that are almost the same shape to be the wings. Penguins do not have arms, they have wings. And these two parts need to be colored in black. I'm doing a quick little scribble to show you that those need to be black. You need to make two eyes, just like the polar bear eyes, circles with small circles on the inside. Okay. And then the tricky part, the trickier part, is the beak. It looks like a triangle, but what you have to draw is a diamond like this, so that it can be folded in half. I don't know where my other one went. It can be folded in half and then opened up to be a beak. Okay, I'll show you in a second what that looks like. And then penguins have feet that could be orange as well, and they would be that shape. Okay, so you cut these pieces out with your scissors very carefully. And then you're going to glue them onto your penguin. So here's the penguin with the little wings. Okay, the wings are on the side. And this is the diamond. So when it's opened like that, it's a diamond. But when you fold it in half, it looks more like a beak, but you have to color the top part orange as well. And here are the eyes, and the feet get glued on at the bottom. So there's your little penguin. So after you're done, you could make both, or you could pick one to make. You can play with these at your house, maybe build them somewhere to live. I think you might want to make a den for a bear, maybe an iceberg. Okay, and if you want to find out more about these animals, on Brightspace there's a video for each one, all about penguins and all about polar bears, to learn a little bit more. So have fun building and have fun playing.